Before we get started, I just want to say these clips are all over the place. So, this is just what I've done in the past year. So, sit back, relax, and
watch my clips. Watch my clips.
These are mags. They're mags, not clips, you absolute fucking dummy.
I was looking at the codes to try to figure out why this thing is running so bad. Turns out the air to fuel ratio sensor is bad. This is the old sensor. It looks more like an O2 sensor to me. I tried looking up the part number right there. Nothing came up. So I searched for the Bank 2 sensor 1 air to fuel sensor, and it was this one. It looks way different from this one. But, you know, I figured screw it, I'll order it and see how it runs. So I'm gonna pop this in there and see how it runs, I guess. The sensor is in, so I'm gonna clear these codes. Obviously, I've still not replaced the knock sensors. I mean, I did replace them, but they were junk. So, oh, well, fuck it then. Shut up. Shut up. Please. Thanks. Dick fuck. Okay, well, it's kind of out of focus, but you can still read, so. Knock sensor, 2 lean, that stupid air to fuel sensor, Bank 2 sensor 1. Yeah, we'll just clear all that. See what the hell happens. Yeah, seems fine so far. Sounds normal, I guess. It's usually once it starts warming up is when it starts running like fucking ass. Usually around this time it starts running like real fucking shitty, but it's actually running normal right now, which is pretty damn rare. Let's see what we have for throttle response. Sounds pretty good, honestly. Yeah. It smells actually really good. Like, it smells normal like it should. Alright, well, I'll get back when it's fully warmed up to see if it starts popcorning or not. Well, it's basically warmed up, and it actually runs good. Not a single popcorn noise. So, yep. Looks like that's what it needed. Now on to cleaning the mass airflow and doing the knock sensors. Wow, does time fly. It's currently May 2023. Last time I made a video on this car was in October of 2022, which was the last clip you just saw. So obviously, some things have changed, as you can tell. But things I've done to the car since the last time I recorded. It's on different wheels. It's on my old CRV wheels, which are ADR GT Sports or Eagle Alloy Series 193s. On New Year's, I don't know if you can see or not. Let's try to get under here. Good old Harbor Freight air compressor with a light. But replace the gas tank. On New Year's, in the process of getting to where I am now, moving this car here, I noticed I had a really bad wheel shake coming from the passenger wheel. The rotor looked pretty much like a vinyl record. The pads weren't too terrible, but I mean, they were super grooved too. And I don't know if that caliper was any good or not, but I replaced it anyway. So yeah, all that is good now. Car no longer has a bad wheel shake or anything. Still runs pretty good. The clips you're about to see is like just today. And I used my buffer for the first time. Sitting right there. Used the buffer for the first time. Polished the hood. Polished the front bumper. Actually came out pretty good. And also cleared the headlights. I didn't do this part of the roof because of the clear coat peel, but I did the back of the roof and it's got good reflection. Also did half the trunk. It's got good reflection. Couldn't reach the other half because my extension cord is too short. You can tell, less reflective, more reflective. So yeah, onwards with whatever clips I can throw up. Okay, I don't think the camera can pick it up. But this is all faded. Super faded. Super faded. I mean, no reflection. Over here, you can see the reflection, but over here, nothing. It's kind of reflective, not really. It's just from sitting out in the sun, so I'm gonna try to buff it out. It ain't the best viewing angle, but you know, I don't have a tripod or nothing. That's the life of being broke. So I'm gonna put this shit on here. I don't know if this shit's even any good, but I'm gonna try it. I don't know how much you're supposed to use. So you gotta like that on and shit. I don't fucking know how to fucking run one of these. First time I've ever ran one of these. So. Actually did. It brought some of the shine back. I'm gonna keep running it and then I come back to show the final result. But alright, well, I did more. It ain't perfect. It's a lot more shiny, even to the headlight too. But yeah, she's all shined up. And compared to the other side, which I haven't done yet, zero reflection, headlights all fogged out. And then over here, nice and shiny. It ain't perfect, but it's better than what it was. I didn't get a video of the final result, but here's some pictures. Part 6 is coming soon. It just depends on when I get time to work on the car. Been very busy.